Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into the world of hardscaping. If you have ever wondered exactly what the meaning of hardscape ideas for your backyard is, think of it as the bones of your outdoor space. While landscaping refers to the soft, living elements like grass, flowers, and trees, hardscaping encompasses all the non-living, man-made features. This includes everything from stone patios and brick walkways to wooden decks, retaining walls, and concrete fire pits. Essentially, hardscaping is the structural foundation that defines the shape and function of your backyard, turning an open field of grass into a purposeful, multi-dimensional living area. The benefits of having hardscape for your backyard go far beyond just looking pretty. One of the most significant advantages is the massive reduction in maintenance. Every square foot of stone or wood you install is a square foot you no longer have to mow, water, or weed. Beyond saving time, hardscaping solves practical issues like drainage problems or soil erosion through the use of tiered retaining walls. Furthermore, a well-designed hardscape significantly increases your home's curb appeal and property value. It expands your usable square footage, essentially adding an outdoor room where you can entertain guests, cook, or relax, regardless of how muddy or soft the ground might be after a rainstorm. How do I decorate my backyard with hardscape to look good? The secret lies in the balance between texture and geometry. To make your hardscape look professional, you should aim to blend different materials, like pairing smooth concrete pavers with rough natural stone or warm wood accents. Using leading lines is a great decorator's trick. Create paths that draw the eye toward a focal point, such as a water feature or a cozy seating area. Don't forget to soften the edges of your hardscape with strategic lighting or built-in planters. By integrating softscape elements like ornamental grasses or climbing vines into your stone structures, you create a harmonious look that feels organic rather than cold and industrial. When choosing the best items for backyard hardscape, durability should be your top priority. High-quality pavers or flagstones are essential for the foundation of your patio because they withstand the elements and heavy foot traffic. Fire features, whether they are sleek gas-powered fire tables or rustic stone pits, act as a natural gathering spot and are a must-have for evening ambience. For vertical interest, pergolas and gazebos provide architectural height and necessary shade. Additionally, consider integrated seating like stone sitting walls, which save space and provide permanent furniture. Finally, professional-grade outdoor lighting such as path lights and uplighting for trees is the jewelry of the hardscape that brings the entire design to life after the sun goes down. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best hardscape ideas for backyard to inspire you for your next project. One, the modern multi-level fire pit sanctuary. This design utilizes clean-cut concrete retaining walls to create a sunken seating area. The contrast between the smooth white walls and the dark river stones around the square fire pit provides a high-end, contemporary feel that maximizes a sloped yard. 2. The naturalistic flagstone dining patio. Perfect for those who love a rustic look. This idea features large, irregular flagstones set into a sprawling patio. Surrounded by lush greenery and a stone boundary wall, it creates a seamless transition between the man-made dining area and the natural forest backdrop. 3. Mediterranean poolside elegance. This hardscape focuses on symmetry and luxury, featuring a crisp white plaster exterior and a stone-tiled pool deck. The use of striped umbrellas and built-in white stone planters creates a classic resort vibe that is both timeless and refreshing. 4. The traditional paver patio with pergola. A classic choice for suburban homes, this design uses interlocking pavers to create a solid, level surface for lounging. The addition of a sturdy wooden pergola provides a sense of enclosure and a place to hang floral baskets, making the space feel like a true outdoor room. 5. The architectural stone waterfall terrace. This idea combines masonry with water elements. A massive stone pillar acts as a focal point, separating a raised wooden deck from a lower paver patio. The integration of stone steps and a waterfall creates a multi-sensory experience that is both visual and auditory. 6. Geometric paver circles and gravel borders. For a clean, organized look, this design uses circular paver patterns to define a fire pit zone and a dining zone. The use of light gray gravel as a border between the patio and the lawn reduces maintenance while providing a sharp, modern aesthetic from an aerial view. 7. The European courtyard with stone fireplace. This sophisticated hardscape features a massive outdoor stone fireplace as the centerpiece. Large, square slate tiles and low stone walls define the perimeter, creating an intimate, secret garden feel that is perfect for cool evening gatherings. 8. The complete outdoor kitchen and cabana. This is the ultimate hardscape for entertainers. It features a raised stone bar with copper accents and a separate white cabana with flowing curtains. This layout separates the cooking and dining functions from the relaxation area, providing a professional flow to the backyard. 9. The sunken sofa and linear fire feature. Utilizing a checkerboard pattern of pavers and artificial turf, this design is ultra-modern. The long L-shaped sectional sofa faces a rectangular fire table, while tall Italian cypress trees provide vertical hardscape-like structure for privacy along the wall. 10. Checkerboard terrace with string lighting. This whimsical yet structured design uses large square pavers separated by narrow strips of grass. Overhead string lights and large white umbrellas provide a festive atmosphere, while the surrounding white masonry walls reflect light to keep the area bright and inviting. Hardscaping is truly the secret to a backyard that looks beautiful year-round, regardless of the season. By investing in the right structures and materials, you aren't just decorating, you are building a lifestyle. Whether you prefer the sleek lines of a modern fire pit or the timeless charm of a stone patio, these hardscape ideas provide the perfect canvas for your outdoor memories. If you found these ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to turn your house into the home of your dreams. Thanks for watching.